did you guys know? We would like to congratulate Danielle Padilla, also our beloved ambassador, for winning Outstanding Asian Star from the recent Seoul International Drama Awards from the series Incognito. Palakpakan naman po ulit natin. Grabe naman talaga.
It was a massive success.
Massive success.
And fresh na fresh kasama, accompanied by his manager, Luz Bagalaksa from ABS-CBN Star Magic. Na-miesta sila. Hindi ko may kiyat-kiyat pa itong mga ko eh.
Parang wala naman. Very fresh naman.
Oo, nagkape na kanina.
Nagkape na kanina. Alright, thank you so much. Once again, we are now taking photos. You can go ahead and take photos.
Alam mo, kaya naman si DJ.
Paano yung maging proseso? Are you going to Korea?
Yeah, I have to. Pupunta tayo ng Korea, again, not to represent myself, but to represent the Philippines once again. Diba? And,
Naiyak si Jerry.
thank you. Again, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal. Thank you.
Ano to? Isa surprise, Daniel? Yung pananalo ng award na to? Yung ginawa ko itong incognito or somehow nandun na yung,
Paano ba? Yeah, syempre, it's a surprise, di ba? For you to win, di ba? Pero nakikita ko sa yung proseso dahil nung kailan pa rin simula yung voting na yan. And ang mga ating supporters, ang tagapagmahal natin, araw-araw ko meron nakikita ang mga messages nila for me na talaga nagpupuyat yung mga yan para bumoto, di ba? So, I'm just very happy and thankful, you know, and I don't want to let them down. Ano nangyayari sa akin, I think everything is related, you know. I wouldn't say na nangyari sa akin masamang bagay, lahat nangyari ng may dahilan. I think ang mga tao lang kasi ang makukulit, di ba? Pero lahat yan nakasulat, di ba? At everything happens for a reason. I just think, huwag lang natin makalimutan na dyan ang Panginoon. Pinabantayan lang tayo all the time. At magbigay lang, you get what you give. Diba? You get what you give. Kung pili ka ng pagmamahal, you will receive love. Yun lang naman yung sa akin. Thank you.